Hi from Cyprus, guys. I wanted to show you a tour of my new Airbnb, and I just tried to live stream it, but apparently the internet's not good enough, so we're gonna do it the old-fashioned way. But yeah, let's jump into it. So first of all, welcome to all the new subscribers. I think we're at around 300, 350 right now. So if I haven't met you, please comment below on this video or comment below your favorite video. Say hi. Would love to meet you and see what types of videos you like the most and what you want to see more of. So this is my channel, Traveling with Kristin. It's half traveling and half digital nomadism. So I take you all around the world traveling to see what it's like in the digital nomad lifestyle, and along the way give you some tips on how you can achieve the same type of lifestyle in your own life. You know, the whole freedom to travel laptop lifestyle thing. So I am currently just landed in, there we go, in the small island of Cyprus, which is between Turkey and Greece. Let's see, it's really windy. And I came to Cyprus for a week because there's a few reasons why I came here, and some of them might relate to you. So Cyprus, for its beautiful 350 days of sunshine a year, attracts a lot of people for tourism, but it also attracts people for its interesting tax and residency schemes that can be useful for people from various countries around the world for various reasons depending on their motivations. So my day job is a relocation consultant and a relocation manager, logistical manager. So I help people move all around the world, digital nomads, poker players, Bitcoin investors, and recently Cyprus has become a very interesting place for more of my clients. So I wanted to come here and do some research and just kind of compare the lifestyle, the cost of living, the internet, the infrastructure, and of course the income taxes and the different residency and citizenship options that there are for foreigners who want to come here. So that's what I'm doing here in Cyprus. And being that I'm a digital nomad and you know, we just kind of do whatever we want, I'm also taking a yoga workshop this weekend with one of my good friends who I met in Iceland actually. So she's here for the weekend to give this yoga workshop, so why not blend business and pleasure and fly from Bulgaria to Cyprus for the week to get some work done and then have some fun in the sun, relax on the beach. So behind me is actually one of the top 25 beaches in the world according to TripAdvisor, so that's pretty cool. I'm in a town called Protaras, which the beach behind me is called Fig Tree Beach if you want to look it up, and I'll link to it below. So I'm about an hour from the airport of Larnaca, which is one of the major airports in the area. And this Airbnb, I have it for 5 days and I'm going to explore a little bit more. It's $100 a night, and it's pretty nice and pretty big for, you know, what you're getting for the money. So let's check it out. So one of the things that I always look for in an Airbnb is a nice patio or balcony, and this one has a really nice one. Check this out. This was like one of the main selling points for me. I know I mentioned that it's sunny 350 days a year, but apparently today is the only day with bad weather where it's been raining and windy all day, so maybe not the best time to do this video, but we'll work with it. This is the life. So there's just one block between me and the beach, right over that white building. So it's about a 200-meter walk. If you've seen my Tallinn, Estonia Airbnb video, you'll know that some of the things I look for in an Airbnb are a separate bedroom instead of a studio. So I have a separate working space and a separate living, sleeping space, an outdoor area, good internet, and really convenient to stores. So there's actually 2 grocery stores within 1 or 2 blocks of here, tons of bars, cafes, restaurants, juice bars, smoothies, the works. So this place is great, and it's only half a block from the yoga retreat, so that's a bonus. Internet, 10 megabytes, not ideal. 10 down, 2 up, so could use some work. Yeah, so I didn't check, which is a no-no, and it's British plugs, not European. So since I've been in Europe, I just went with that, but it was a British colony, so that's why the plugs are British. But make sure you check at the airport and get the right adapters. Next, let's go check out the bedroom. The nice little welcome package. Always looking for a nice double or queen or king size bed, so we've got that checked off. Lots of natural light, lots of space, and it's really nice to have a bedroom that opens out to this fantastic balcony. So I really like that there's a separate bedroom with a nice big soft bed and lots of privacy that opens out right onto the patio with natural light and air conditioning, of course, so this is pretty solid. This is the living area, which I like because it has 2 couches, it has a pull-out futon, it has this giant window, and it's really clean. There's also a flat screen TV and umbrella for when it's less windy that I can put outside on the patio. The entertainment center, microwave fan. It also has air conditioning and a fully equipped kitchen. They hooked me up with some milk, eggs, and butter. You know, just the requirements. And also some bread. Very nice and cozy and homey. Some tea and coffee. The bathroom is pretty basic. It's quite big, but it's not the most modern new bathroom. Maybe it needs to be a little remodeled, but again, it's clean and it has everything you need. All right, guys, I'm gonna go check out the strip, and thanks for checking out my pad here in Cyprus. I'll make sure to film quite a bit, give you guys a travel video or a vlog so you can see more about it, learn more about why digital nomads and crypto nomads and other people come here, and see you on the next video. Bye! I mean, this is ridiculous. This is a completely absurd wind.